Hello, Ziggy here. Mostly people ask kind of the same questions all the time. So one of the questions, mostly what pretty much every single person has asked me is, does it actually hurt? And yeah, it does hurt a little bit. We can't lie to them. It does feel like a little scratch, or it almost feels like a sunburn. Sometimes people feel like it's a sunburn, and then if I'm working with the shading, it just kind of feels like it's sunburn, and then someone's there with a finger kind of going over, so it irritates even more. So I mostly explain to people as in it's just annoying. It does irritate, but it just gets on your nerves. At least it gets on my nerves. But as you can see, we all have so many tattoos. We have arms, legs, chest, stomachs done, so it's not that bad. Mostly artists will take breaks whenever you want, whenever you need. If you don't have an artist that doesn't take any break or doesn't give you any break, you don't need that artist, you need somebody else. You need somebody who's a human. And mostly when we have people who have first time, we go through one by one, as in step by step, what we're gonna do, how it's gonna feel like, what we're gonna do after this. So as much as it's painful, sometimes the pain is in the head because you think it's gonna be painful, so you can assume it's gonna be painful, but sometimes it's not actually that bad. It's just like the people make up the pain in their head. So when we explain step by step how it's gonna go, how the day is gonna be, that is like a less pain and stress wise. So they're aware of what's going to happen. So then it's just like a few lines here and there. And mostly when you ask these questions, you haven't had tattoo before, which means you're not going to go for like crazy big one, which means it's going to be quite small. And some people do go for day sessions. That is true. Some people just go for the full fucking day and just dive in. And then they don't ask what it's going to hurt or how it's going to hurt. They know it's gonna hurt. It's kind of like how bad it's gonna be, because when you're like 6, 7, 8 hours in, it's actually quite a lot to take for the body. But they're good. They know what they sign up for, and they're fine. Mostly the pain is made up, as in mostly you believe the pain will be so bad, but then actually the first lines are pulled on people, or the first shading, and people are surprised as much as we are. Like, oh, it's actually not that bad. Actually, that is way less than I thought, and mostly it is way less than they thought. Sharp scratching is one. People think it's a sunburn. People think it's a cat scratch. I had this one guy. He said it's not as bad as you get kicked by a horse. So he's been kicked by a horse a few times. He said the thing is not as bad. So I believe him. He's been working with horses all the time. And I can imagine horse kick is way bad, way worse than someone just drawing with a small needle on your skin. So I believe in that guy. Work in a good studio, or when you go in a good studio, they're already thinking how to decrease your pain, what tools to use, what things to use, what creams to use, how to wipe cream and do the activities so you would feel less pain. And there are studios who don't care about it. People just assume that's a part of the process. You're supposed to feel pain. This is the process. This is how we blah 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 blah. Some voodoo stuff. Whereas when you go in a good studio, they already will think how to decrease your pain. Like for example, we use green soap and processed cream, which has a little bit of numbing features inside, which decreases people's pain, which makes the day easier for them. And if it's easier for them, it's easier for us. So it makes life easier. I don't know how, if you are a client, how you could ask that to artists, what you're gonna use on me, but I would probably go to places where they do big stuff. And if they do big, large stuff, doing a small one will be easy. And the second is the studio will be more kind of built to make your pain less as possible, which means even though, let's say, somebody here would do a smaller pieces, they would still use the same creams that I use for my large tattoos. So if you go to a place where do large pieces, they will have the whole system built for them to last the whole day, which means even the person who doesn't do the whole big pieces, he will be aware of what to do nice good ones for small ones. So when you ask the question, does it hurt, it will hurt less because he's been trained to decrease your pain. Make sense? And obviously the answer is yes, because it is a tattoo, so it's not going to be like a painless. There are some people who feel painless. There are some moments when somebody works on your skin for so long, it does become painless, but it's not completely 0-0. You can feel someone's poking, you can feel someone's doing something there, and you're like, that's a strange feeling. But you're not gonna be, I don't know. It's like if you're not going to be so mad you're going to jump straight to the first one in your eyelid or something, what is like dangerous to your life in a sense. So you'll be fine. And when you got somebody who can tattoo for so long, and then somebody who's been tattooing for so long, they've been trained to manage the people throughout the whole day to make your life as easy as possible, have as less stress as possible. Like the wiping has a way so you can decrease the pain. You can increase by wiping a specific way, but you can also not do that. You can line in a specific way that doesn't hurt as much. You can clean so it doesn't hurt as much. You can dab as much so like it doesn't hurt as much. There are certain activities that we do which doesn't increase the pain. So go to studios, if you are a client, go to studios where the person focuses on those kind of pieces. If you're an artist, there are certain activities you can do so you can don't give pain to people. Yeah. So if you wonder if tattoos hurt, they do. And if you want to learn how to tattoo so you would hurt less, we have a school. I teach people how to tattoo, and then people there do exactly what I do every single day. What makes the big people, as in like what the large pieces that I do, I use the same techniques so they can actually last the whole day. They can actually take the whole day. They can be here the whole day. And then the things, activities that I do, I teach them on a fake skin. So by the time they get on the humans, they like, you will know what to do to not make people suffer. So easy as that.